guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another thrift flip. I went to the Goodwill recently and I came across some really good pieces. I was on Pinterest, the anthropologie website, and I got some really cool ideas to dupe some of their wall decor. I was completely inspired by them. So these are going to be really neat, and I make like a wall over my desk. So this is going to be a three-part series. Today I'm going to show you a few of the flips that I did, and I'm going to continue it into a series. So I hope that you guys are excited to see it, and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so for the first thrift flip, I'm going to be using this metal tin that I got from Goodwill. It was $1.99, and I have this mirror with suction cups, which you don't need this. This is just one that I bought at Dollar Tree. A glue gun and some scissors, and also some burlap mesh that I picked up. It's just the burlap mesh roll. You can also use some rattan ribbon that is similar to this, but with the rattan ribbon you would have to go in and weave it all around through the wires. But I was inspired by this anthropologie piece that I came across. I'm going to insert a picture of the inspiration that this project is coming from, and let's get right into it. So we're going to start off by cutting the burlap mesh to make it fit all around the edges of our metal tin, just like the picture. And I'm going to measure about an inch and a half and cut all the way down. And fold it in half so that there is a thicker look once we put it on the tin. So I'll just be using a glue gun to go ahead and fold and glue it. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is go through and weave it through the wire. Okay, now that I got to the end of the tin, I have the two ends that are sticking out, and what I'm going to do is just go ahead and hot glue those pieces together. Okay, now that we have our tin done and the burlap all around, the last thing that's left to do is to add our mirror. I went ahead and took off the suction cup. We're actually going to use the E6000 to glue it onto the back. Okay guys, I'm going to use this small hanger, and I'm going to glue it to the back of this piece so that I can hang it on the wall, and I'm just going to use the E6000 to glue it. Are you guys ready to see the final look of what was once a wire basket, which is now a wall piece? It's a wall decor. So ta-da! Here it is. So as you guys can see, I went all around the edges of the basket and just put the rope all around it. So happy with how it came out. It was such a good dupe from the anthropologie one, and I'm excited to put it on my wall and show you guys the final look of my wall. But I have another flip that I'm going to show you in this video, and it's super simple. I'm going to be using this metal wall piece that I found, taking the angel off, and I'm just going to add a round mirror. It's that simple. So let's get right into it. Guys, before gluing my mirror, I went ahead and took off the angel that was right in the center. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and glue the mirror to the piece. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, I'm doing a part 2 to this series, and I have a few more things that I bought that I'm going to flip, which are also wall decor. So stay tuned for that, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!